In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable touch sensitivity on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This option is particularly useful if you use a screen protector, as it increases the screen's touch sensitivity, ensuring that your device responds to every touch. Follow the steps below to easily activate this feature and enhance your user experience. So here's how to do it. Follow my steps. Find and open the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down a bit, find the Display option, and tap on it. Once you're in, scroll down and find the option called Touch Sensitivity. When you find it, tap the switch next to this option to enable it, and that's it. Once enabled, the touch sensitivity will automatically increase, and your device will respond better to touches even when you're using a screen protector. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.